Hi everybody, so today is, you guessed it, boom, Sephora Play Day. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So, they always put this black tape that is so hard to get to. So, I'm just gonna go in from the side. So much easier. Okay. Oh, something flew out. All right, so first and foremost, boom, your legend of what is in your bag. And I think I saw EOS. Oops. I don't like to read this just yet because I like the surprise factor. If you watch my channel, you know that. So, what fell out? Let's see. Oh, there it is. Okay, so that'll be our first product. So it says today, work hard, play harder. Definitely worked hard today, so let's play. All right, the first item is from Tarte. I like Tarte, that's a good brand. So, Fair Light Sand Foundation Multitasking Foundation. Okay, and this is in 16S, which is Fair Light Sand. Let's open this up. If I can get in there. Boom. Oh, that's cute. It's really tiny, but I think it'll match my skin tone. Comes in the shade Ghostly Pale. Definitely gonna work for me. Okay, so it's a little pump like this. So we will squeeze a little bit out like that. And let's rub it in. Ooh, wow, that's gonna have some serious coverage. There you go. It's a little light, but it's actually blending very nicely with my skin. So that's cool. I didn't bring anything to wipe my hands on. So we'll use the Sephora box. Okay, that's our first item. And smell test. Smells like nothing. I'm okay with that. Okay, next item is this, which is, hurt my legs. Chlorine Anti-Pollution Shampoo. Detox shampoo. And I'm guessing the other one is a conditioner. So you have shampoo and then anti-pollution protective conditioner with aquatic, wow, it's been a day, aquatic mint. Y'all forgive me. If anything, you just kind of look at me like, really, Lauren? Yes, really. Okay, so there's that. Now, here's the thing about these little samples. They don't account for people, I don't believe, that have a lot of hair. So when I'm using the samples, I can't really get a good grasp of how it works for me because it covers half of my head. So it's always a problem. Next item. Okay. Oh, Laneige Sleep Care Lip Sleeping Mask. Yes. Okay, so my nightly routine when I jump in bed is to load up on lip balm so that my lips don't dry out overnight and they're actually a little bit softer in the morning. So this is what it looks like. And don't let the package fool you, my friends. That is all the product space right there. Ooh, take that off. There it is. It smells really good. It's a really sweet smell. Ooh, wow. I barely touched it, so gotta be careful. And I have something on my lips, but I can go over it a little bit. Really silky. The flavor, not great. At first I got like a hint of vanilla and then a little bit of plastic after that, or waxy plastic. But it feels really nice. It's really nice and smooth on my lips. Okay, here's a big one. Ooh, Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. So let's see how this works. Shake well before use. I shook it because I'm used to, and watch it be one of those products that's like combustible, don't shake. All right, Post-cleansing, generally mist face and allow to absorb. So I don't know if I should put this on over my makeup because I think we're going out after hydrating face mist. We're going out after I make this video. So I'm not gonna try that, but I will smell it. Oh, that doesn't smell good either. I guess I expect everything to smell like roses and sweet treats, and that's kind of an alcohol smell. All right, 2 more things. This is from Pharmacy. Look how they spell it. Pharmacy. And made in Korea. That's cool. Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So your makeup remover. And the lid on this was already, like, you see I didn't unscrew it. It was already kind of off, so. But it doesn't look like it's been tampered with at all. That would suck. Try to take off your makeup and your eyeballs go with it. So let's smell that. It's very minty. Very minty. All right, so I don't know, man. If that's minty, I don't think I'm gonna put that on my eyes. Gently massage onto dry skin for eye makeup removal. Apply to closed eyes. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with a damp washcloth. Okay, you can use it on your eyes. All right, last product is by Sephora, and it's super hydratant. Jour. Hydrate. All day hydrator. Okay, I think I was trying to read a different language and I only speak English, so can't do that. All right, what do we got? This is cool. All right, so I am gonna pull this out now because we know what's in my bag, and let's see what this does. All right, all day hydrator, hydrate and glow in English. I can read this. Maybe. Heading out for a spur of the moment trip, make sure blah, blah, blah. Like this weightless daily moisturizer that delivers a natural glow. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. All day hydrator. So I guess you could put this on under your makeup. And, ooh, I got it on my nose. It smells really good. It's a nice, refreshing kind of scent. Let's rub it in and see what happens. It also has, I smell like baby powder and bubble gum. Yeah. That really smells good. It's not, there's not too much going on there. It's nice and subtle, so it won't clash with your perfume or anything like that. And I guess this part of my hand's not the best place to put it because it's soaking it right up, but it feels pretty soft and it's not greasy at all when I rub it together. So awesome. And this does not, I thought this used to tell us how much things cost, but it doesn't, so that's fun. So the bonus today was, I mean, this was a bonus today. Yay, we got a bonus. These. So I'll try that out. We'll see what happens. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, and we'll see what comes in the mail next month. Y'all have a good day.